Sup everyone, welcome to Coding Growth.
Zup, in this session, I'm just gonna make a quick introduction so that you can know the purpose of this channel. And also, I will deliver some material about Python, what Python is, why is it so important, how to get started, and so on. I put them at the same session so that we can save time and we can go straight to practice. Before we go any further, hey, my name is Ray Aziz. I create this channel for educational purposes. The idea is I'm gonna show you how to code this Python from very beginning. So I'll keep coding and coding most of the time. And it will be separated run by run for each session. Like run 1, we learn the print, input statement, data type, and so on. I'll try my best everything won't miss. We can call it Python A to Z, the full package Python. Without bloody further ado, let's beat them down. Alright, we are entering the lesson now. This session contains full of written slide material, and I will read them to you thoroughly. Hope you don't get bored. So what is Python? Python is a high-level programming language designed for ease of use and code readability. Developed by Guido van Rossum and first released in 1991. Python is known for its simple syntax and design philosophy that focuses on code readability. Python is an object-oriented programming language. In Python, you can create and manipulate objects and classes, which are central concepts in OOP. This allows for encapsulation, inheritance, and it's kind of hard to spell. You can read it by yourself. Make it possible to build and manage complex systems more effectively. Here are tools for running Python. First, Python interpreter means the basic tool for executing Python scripts. It reads and executes Python code. Here are some tools: CPython, Jython, IronPython, PyPy, Stateless Python, Replit, Programmist. But in this case, I personally use Programmist, and I will tell you why in the next session. Then we got IDEs, stands for Integrated Development Environments, a tool that provides a comprehensive set of functions to support software development. Here are some tools: PyCharm, Spider, Visual Studio Code, and in this case, I personally use VS Code, and I also will tell you why in the next session. And then Python frameworks means are pre-written code bases that provide a structure for developing applications. First, we got web development frameworks. There are Django, Flask, and then that data science and machine learning frameworks. There are TensorFlow, PyTorch, Scikit-learn, and GUI frameworks. There are Kinter, PyQt, or PySite. Last but not least, we got automation and scripting frameworks. There are Selenium and Beautiful Soap. Why Python? First, ease of use. Clean, readable syntax, ideal for beginners. Second, versatility, suitable for various applications like web development, data analysis, and machine learning. Third, active community, extensive support with many libraries and resources. Fourth, portability. Runs on various operating systems with minimal changes. Fifth, integration. Easily integrates with other technologies and languages. Sixth, strong libraries. Abundant libraries and frameworks that simplify development. I guess it fits the white belt who want to begin learning programming language. Here's some specified uses of Python: web development, data science and analysis, automation and scripting, software development, and networking. I guess that's pretty much it. Here's some advantage of Python: simple and clean syntax. Python syntax is close to human language. Rich ecosystem, large community, interactive. Maybe it's quite similar with why should we choose this OOP? Pretty much the same. Here's some disadvantage of Python: execution speed. Python can be slower than compiled language like C++ or Java. Memory usage. Python tends to use more memory compared to other programming language, which can be a drawback for memory constrained applications. Global interpreter lock. GIL limits the execution of multiple threads in a single Python process, affecting parallelism in multi-threaded applications. Well, there are always pros and cons in everything. Nothing's perfect. And finally, how to get started with Python. First step, of course, install Python. Download and install Python from the official Python website, and then choose the latest version and follow the installation instructions for your operating system. Step 2, choose an editor or IDE. You can use simple text editors like VS Code, Sublime Text, or IDEs like PyCharm. And then IDEs such as Jupyter Notebook are also useful for database projects and analysis. And this is my way for very beginning. Of course, you need to prepare your PC, laptop, or smartphone, internet connection, browser, and then your open program is Python compiler on your browser. This is for direct start. No excuse, no blah blah blah, just start coding. For the record, for editor or IDs or interpreter, it's all up to you which one you want to use. And finally, you will find what makes you feel comfortable. I just give you some options. I think that's enough for now. That's all the material about Python programming. Hopefully it's useful. Sorry for any shortcomings. Hit the subscription button because it's free. The world is in chaos. Just don't stop learning. Stay heavy.